also in college, but also at university level. So I think there's a lot of potential there that next year, actually the whole environmental impact thing is going to pick up a lot. And I'd like to be there and to support it. And I think because I'm part of this group and organizing all these things which are still in the making, I'd be well connected to other environmental officers from other colleges. I see them regularly. We're in contact with the environmental heads also in the university of different departments. That would be perfect for me to keep. I think it's basically in the process of building up. So, but yeah, to transport the spirit to college and use it also as a pressure. The independent green space we've both been talking about is not directly linked to it because it's basically started out as all different colleges' environmental reps, which were meeting with a university staff member of green space. That was the original idea. So they were trying on a university level perhaps to push for better bike routes, as for example there's plans for South Route to improve bike safety and build a biking lane, but it has nothing to do so far with the bike rent scheme, which has been developed in cooperation. It seems to be well in progress. So
it's very heavily linked with Green Committee at the moment. It's per person on the night bus, and it takes about 10 people. So I was just thinking, yeah. So bike scheme, night bus.
Agree with beliefs. I personally don't agree with a lot of the ways they go about things. But we had a talk in geography last term where they came in along with a load of other organisations and spoke to us about their point of view and work together to make change happen in our own way.
Different countries, like the case for me, for example. So just to know what's actually happening, where I can engage, how I can engage, obviously, not every person is made for a planet, or generally if you want to get engaged in university structures in terms of if I would like to change something about environmental, and let's say we have to ask some of these organizations to come to college. That's basically what I would imagine. So encourage students, ask the questions they have, so contact. And I must say it's hard to, on the spot, decide one that I'd like to implement. I think generally I would try to reduce waste that comes from the bar, also connected to formals, food waste, plastic use, try to work on that. I was once talking to the environmental, or the responsible in college for sustainability, which is Mr. Carson, and he basically told me that in terms of, for example, lighting, etc., the college has already taken most of the steps. The only thing that's really missing is LEDs in the bar. Then I asked him about panels, solar panels, what about the energy we're taking as a college? It seems like most of these areas were already covered, so I was thinking mainly that we should focus on how to reduce the amount of waste we're producing, everything connected to food, bar.
the plastic waste, such as like the plastic cups at the bar right now for water. Thomas, and thank you very much. Feel bad. Yeah. So the biggest thing for me is getting those reusable plastic cups in, so we can reduce the plastic that we throw away. The single-use plastic, it's so bad. It has such bad. It's very bad for the environment to recycle because of all the emissions. Just to recycle the plastic. You need to. The first step you need to do is to reduce. Also, reducing plastic is like toothbrushes. So this year we to reduce our waste right now. I think is the change we need to implement next year.
Which has been introduced ready next year, and believe I'm the right person to fill this role and ensure its first year is successful. I've held many roles in my 3 years in the JCR, including charity coordinator, Winterval chair, volunteer. All of these roles have helped me gain skills and the knowledge which will be very useful should I become an Intergen project leader next year. As volunteer, I've seen a massive improvement in the Intergen project this academic year, even winning the most developed committee of the year. I'd like to further this improvement next year. Within this role, I have coordinated the church, organised Christ Nights at college, and am currently in the process of setting up pen pals between members of the church and college. As the intergenerational project leader, I would help the Intergen project to run successfully by continuing the bi-weekly visits to Boardington Street Church and terminal visits to College Way, or use the college's minibus to go to places like the Museum. One of the biggest reasons the committee has improved so much this year is because of the big interest in project, because having somebody in charge of people. Thanks for listening. Just to join this year, continuing to be involved and then get even more sign-ups next year.
Any more questions? What do you enjoy?
I met a lovely lady called Yvonne, and I mean, we email and text all the time now, and I've even knitted her a cushion, so.
Why would I like to be assistant welfare? That's a brilliant start. Okay, why would I like to be assistant societies officer? That's a superb question. Because I think societies are a major part of college life, and I believe that having a collegiate system really enhances one's experience at university. I'm sorry. So, yes, society is very important, and I believe society's officer, I would be good. Why would I be good, I hear you cry? That's a brilliant question. Because I'll work closely with Jake and Ellie and the society's officer team to encourage new societies to come forward, to develop existing societies, and to ensure that everyone is thriving and doing as best they can in their societies, and each society is doing well. Okay, are there any questions? Oh, Jason. Yes. Well, okay. Okay, I went to London Focus. I would highly recommend. Did I go to the debating society? I think I did. So that counts. I've been meaning to go to a allotment sort for quite a while, if that counts. And yeah. Well, we're wrapping it up. I like to follow. I've got my experience as him. So I'm Christian. I ran for this role when it first came up, but then I just found out that the time is the second one now. So here I am running the same role for the second time in 1 year. In terms of my experience, I take economics, and as you all know, we love money. Jokes aside, we do love money, but I think modules, accountancy, finance, things like that. So obviously, I can apply those things as I learn them. I've also had experience at school. I was the treasurer of my young enterprise business, and I've also had one experience in like large finance firms. In terms of what I feel like I bring to a role, obviously I'm quite good with numbers. I agree to it, and I like commit to going to all the drop-in sessions and helping out Dobos, who I think need help right now. The stress days over there. But, yeah, I should probably make quite short. This is a long meeting. I'll wrap up there. Yeah. In my opinion, I think I need a new one. Well, I'm also president, shout out, and yes, I think I'm kind of involved. I'm also part of Rotary, so I'm sort of involved in all the different sporting and science college. I think that'll sort of give me a chance to see the direct sort of relationship between societies and sports and their funding. Yeah, so hopefully I'll be able to just gain some expertise that way. Certainly.